Good morning, guys. Today we will visit Perth City. It's Sunday morning, and today we will try to have a sneak peek on what Perth City looks like. From our place, it's a 40 minutes train ride. Inside the train, it's mandatory to wear a mask. But the kids are still loving their train ride. So plenty of water, Kuya?
Yes. Maybe to the store.
Welcome to Perth City. Because it's Sunday, most of the shops are closed. But during weekdays, these streets are packed with people. This is the King Street, where almost all of the signature items are being sold. We can also see a well-preserved old structure like this bank over here. Basically, the city is a collection of skyscrapers. This is the famous Swiss alley in Perth. Let's take a look what's inside. Inside, it's like a set in Harry Potter movie. This is one of the sculptures that you will see on the streets of Perth. And of course, the day is not complete without a milk tea and a little bit of window shopping. These are beautiful collections of Jordan shoes. For those who love Jordan, this is the place to be.
Listen somebody like you.
These are the amazing walking sculptures. Now let's go to the famous Elizabeth Key. I normally bring my packed lunch and eat on this place while enjoying the beautiful scenery.
And that's the end of our day. See you again on our next episodes. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.